Hi guys, happy Monday. How is everybody doing? I'm excited because Andrew went to school, but believe it or not, he's already home. I'm excited because we're rounding out February here and March is like literally right around the corner. So I'm totally pumped for spring. Not too cold out today, not too bad. And yeah, I'm up and at 'em. I've already been to the grocery store, I'm going to the bank, running errands, and I have a box of bling. Look what I have. So it's not a ton of bling. I think these are incentives that I earned as freebies. So if you like seeing new jewelry, you just let me know in the comments. Tell me, send up some hearts, and I'm going to show it to you. So this is the 3 Wishes necklace, guys. How was your weekend? How's everybody's Monday morning going? Almost Monday afternoon. So the ladies who got in on my buy one ice, get your second at 14, those are getting delivered today. I checked the tracking. So that means that I'm going to be sending those out today, tomorrow. So just be on the lookout. When you get your first ice bracelet, hey Sarah, just know that your second ice bracelet has not been forgotten or lost. It's definitely on its way. Okay, so we've got the 3 Wishes. The color in this, guys, is going to match my earrings perfectly. Oh boy. Oh my God. Okay, so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. So it comes in blue and red. I have the red one. Now I have the lotus pink one. Look at the color on that. Isn't it really spectacular? Color is ridiculous. So I'm wearing the matching Lulus. I think we have to put this on Annie. Okay? Yeah, we do. Oh my gosh, guys. So I have a party tonight in New Hampshire. Virtual, of course. And then I have a party in Florida on Wednesday. Virtual. And I'm planning my beer and blings for St. Patty's Day and St. Patty's Day sparkle parties. So if you want in, I think that's too tight, on a St. Patty's Day beer and bling or just a fun girls' night, virtual, whatever, I'm your woman. Oh my God, guys, having like technical difficulties. So yeah, March, can't believe it. Oh my God, this is a really nice necklace. Feels nice. I like the chain. With my little blue sweatshirt. Oh, hi, Pat. Guys, it's really, 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 really pretty. Oh, I really love how it's perfectly with my Lulus today. Okay, so this is called the 3 Wishes. Now, if you're like, heck, I need that. Remember, if your birthday is in February, you get free shipping and 10% off. And I have 9 shoppers left in my ice bracelet giveaway. I'm giving away 4 ice bracelets this week. So I got room for 9 more shoppers. So if you want in on this, you just let me know. Okay. What do we got now? We've got, speaking of ice bracelets, the Lotus Pink Delight Ice. So this is the matchy-matchy of my entire ensemble. Okay. Oh boy. Gorgeous. Can you even stand the color on this? Guys, this is so pretty. So pretty. Woo! Look at that. Really, really pretty. So I didn't even show you guys my wrist party today. So this plum isn't really going to go with it anymore, is it? I don't know. Not bad. What do you guys think of that wrist party? This Lotus Pink Delight is crazy. Hi, Rose. Okay, so let's open up the buckle. Anyone wearing their ice bracelets today? You can always post a pic. I love pictures. Okay. Not bad, guys. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, Lotus Pink. Wow. Hi, Vanna. So Lotus Pink, this is the plum wrap, guys. This is the Royal Blue Delight that's picking up the pinks and the purples next to it. Lavender Delight Ice. And then, of course, the brand new Lotus Pink Delight Ice. Oh my gosh, feels so nice. Ah, I love. All right. So 9 more shoppers, and you can get on my March calendar, and you guys can have all of this for free too. I have one more thing, I think, to show you. I can't remember. Something in there. Hang on. And my phone is perfectly balanced on my steering wheel again. I got all these things in here. Oh yeah, my Twice is nice. Twice is nice. So guys, if anyone is interested, I got all my new consultant opportunity brochures. If anyone wants one of these, just holla. I can put one in the mail to you. I can also drop one off in your mailbox, because it is still the best month ever to join with a $99 start kit. Okay, Twice is nice necklace. Do I even know what this one is? Guys, how are you loving the 3 wishes? Love this color. Okay, Twice is nice. Oh, it's one of these layered doozies. Ooh. There it is. You saw it first. You saw it here. Pretty, right? So it's one necklace. Looks like you're wearing 2. 3 wishes necklace. Is that what I said? No. I'm wearing the 3 wishes necklace. Anne, let's go. Wake up. Twice is nice necklace. Twice, 3. See, I'm getting all mixed up. Twice is nice. What do you guys think of that? Hearts? Thumbs up? Okay, so out of the 3 pieces I opened, this is what I want you to tell me when you are watching, catching the replay or whatever. I wanted to know if you like the 3 wishes necklace, the Lotus Pink Delight Ice, look at that, or the Twice is Nice necklace. Which one is your favorite? And drop it in the comments. All right? So that's about all for me on this beautiful Monday. I have a lot more jewelry inside that I still have to unbox. Haven't even unboxed it yet. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I don't know, Matt. I've been like, I don't know. You guys missed me? I feel like I've been neglecting you a little bit. Just a little bit. So 9 more shoppers. The party's called Ice Ice Baby. You enter my name as the hostess, Annie Stow. Or you can just message me and be like, I would like to order the Millionaires Club earrings for $45, blah, blah, blah. Put it in for you, and your name goes on the wheel. And remember, when your name goes on the wheel, spend up to $50 retail, 1 ticket, 100, 2 tickets. And if you use the customer special where spend 100, get your next item at 50% off, you're going to get 4 tickets. 4 tickets on the wheel, and I'm giving away 4 ice bracelets. So you could pick out one of these beauties. Or perhaps you might win twice, because there's no telling whose name is going to pop up on the wheel. Right? Jesus, take the wheel. I know. You guys feeling spring vibes with that? I feel spring vibes today big time. The sun was out a little bit this morning, and it felt like a warmer sunshine than normal. And as I look at my calendar and we're like looking at March, I'm like, dude, spring is like right around the corner. So I'm going to try and stay positive. If it doesn't rain or snow, I don't know what the weather was going to do today, but I'm going to go for a walk if the weather cooperates, because I need some fresh air. That's about what I need today. Guys, I love the colors in this. This is so cute. And I'm wearing a little Chanel here. See, I just throw the Chanel over, and it's just like a nice little, you know, spiffies up any kind of an outfit, whether you're wearing a t-shirt, sweatshirt, whatever. All right, guys, I must go to the bank. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, and let me know in the comments what your favorite new piece from my incentives was. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.